Hi, champs! So it's me again, Teacher Angel, and today is our Asynchronous Day. And today we will be talking about basic needs of a human. So I'm going to show you a picture, then you tell me what is it. Are you ready? Let's start. So for our first picture, we have what do you think is that? It's a food. Very good. Those are fishes, um, fruits, vegetables, egg, meat, or even milk. So, what do you think is the importance of a food? Or how did this help us? Okay, very good. So, food gives us energy and nutrients. And it does not only give us energy and nutrients, but it helps us to live. The food help us to live in this world. And it makes us healthy also. So, next picture, we have what do you think is that? It's a It's a water. Very good. So, what do you think is the use of water? How did that help us? Let's see. How can a water help us? So, water, it gives us nutrients and also protects our organs. So, we discussed about organs, right? So, what are the organs again? We have the eyes, we have the ears, we have the nose, we have the mouth, and also we have the skin. But the water, it is specially protecting our organs inside the body. It is the inside the body that the water is protecting, especially for us to live just like the food. Okay, very good. How about this third picture? What is it? It is a boy, the one that he is breathing or breathing out. What do you think is that? It's a Okay, very good. It's an air. So, what do you think is the use of air for us humans? It, okay, it gives us oxygen and it gives us energy to grow. So, the air is the one that we are breathing in and breathing out. That is one of the most important in our body or as a human because without air we cannot breathe and we cannot live. Okay, very good. How about this next one? What do you think is this? Okay, is that a house? Are you inside your house? Yes, you are inside your house because you are having an asynchronous activity. And when you are at school, of course, it's a face-to-face classes. So, house or shelter. So, what do you think is the use of shelter? Can you think of the use of a shelter? Let's see. So for our shelter or house, it provides us safety and protection. Where, when is the house protecting us? Okay, it protects us from the sun, the heat of the sun, the heavy wind, the rains, and of course, the bad people that is outside our house. It is our safety and protection place where we can be comfortable, and of course, to live peacefully. So that is the shelter or the house. So, do you understand the four basic needs of humans? If you understand, can you please name the four basic needs of humans? Okay, first is we have the food. Next is we have the water. Next is we have the air, and lastly we have the the shelter or the home or house. Now that you know the basic needs of humans, I'm going to show you questions, okay? Or a word. It says here, show your happy face if it is a basic needs of human, and sad face if not. So are you ready? Let's go. So for our first one, water. Is a water a basic human needs or not? Is it a happy face or a sad face? Let me see. Okay, it's a happy face because we need water in our body and in our life. How about the second one? It's the cell phone. So is a cell phone a basic human needs? Let's see. So it's a sad face because we can live without cell phone. How about the shelter or the house? Is it a happy face or a sad face? Let me show your smile face or sad face. Let me see it. Okay, it's a happy face because we need shelter in our lives to protect us. How about the fourth one? It's the aircon. What do you think? Is it a happy face or a sad face? It's a it's a sad face because we don't have or we don't need aircon because we already have the air or the fresh air. Very good. How about the fifth and the last one? It's the food. How about the food? Is it the happy face or the sad face? Can you show it to teacher? It's It's happy face. It is one of our basic human needs because it helps us to grow and live. Now that you know the basic human needs, I have an activity here. So, in a short bond paper, draw a house. Then, inside the house, draw at least five that you need more in your life. For just like this. First is you have or you need money. Now, why do you need money? For you to buy foods, for you to buy water, and everything that you need. Next is aircon. A while ago, we just said that it is not a basic human need, but you need it in your life because sometimes it's so It's so mainit inside our house. Next is the TV for us to get entertained. Next is the bag because we need it when we go to school. And lastly, we need the shoes so that we can wear something when we go to school or anywhere that we want. Okay, now that we are done with the activity, I'm going to introduce you this performance task. Okay, you listen carefully. So in our performance task, you have to create a mini yet informative video that shows five action verbs. What are the action verbs? It's a verb or the thing that we are doing. For example, we are running, we are writing, we are eating. Those are the action words. And on protecting the organs in our body, it means that you're going to make a video on how to protect the body, but you have to show five action words. Do you understand? So, you have to use any gadgets to video yourself doing the activity. And the video will not be more than 5 minutes. So, it means that you can do a video of 3 minutes only, 4 minutes, or even 2, as long as you will show 5 action words protecting the organs in our body. So, when is the submission date? It will be on, yes, September 26, 2024, or Thursday. So, on Thursday, you will submit your video in the Google Classroom. Then, on Friday, you will be presenting your work inside the class. So you have to explain what are the ways on how you will protect your body. So, do you understand now our performance task? Okay. If you have questions regarding our performance task or our activity, you may message me on Google Space or you can email me in the Gmail. So, since you already know the basic human needs, I am going to say goodbye and I want to see you on Thursday or tomorrow. And that's all. Goodbye.